A very warm welcome to all my dear children. My name is Rathod Khushbu from Param Guru Pathshala Sankul, Sarsa. Dear children, today in this video I will discuss third unit, that is the poem My Shadow of class 5 in English subject. So dear children, unit 3, the first part, that is a poem My Shadow, that I will discuss in this video. My Shadow, it is a poem composed by Robert Louis Stevenson. Dear children, the name of the poet, that is Robert Louis Stevenson. He composed this poem My Shadow. In this poem, the poet has described what is the shadow and how the shadow that following to him and what happened with him. So everything, whatever the experience he got from his own shadow, he shared in this poem. So watch this video till the end. Before starting our poem explanation, let me introduce some new words from the poem that is used in this poem. So the first one is India rubber ball. It is a ball that can bounce very high. So this is one kind of ball that bounce very high. So that's why here it's used India rubber ball. The next one is buttercup. Dear children, buttercup, it is a one kind of yellow flower. The next is errand. Errand, that means bad. Errand sleepyhead, that means completely inattentive. Okay, so the meaning of errand sleepyhead, that means completely inattentive. So dear children, you have to prepare these new words. You have to write it in your notebook and prepare it also. Now let's move further to our poem My Shadow. It is a unit 3, first part, that is poem My Shadow. Do you know, wherever there is a light, someone follow you. Have you ever wondered who is it? So here the poet asks question in the beginning of the poem. Initially he asks that have you ever seen that someone is following you? When there is a light, you can found that someone is following you. So he asked a question that do you know wherever there is a light, someone follow you. Have you ever wondered who is it? So the poet is asking a question that कभी भी आपने सोचा है who is it, वो कौन है? So that everything is described in this poem. So I have a little shadow that goes in and out with me, and what can be the use of him is more than I can see. He is very, very like me from the heels up to the head, and I see him jump before me when I jump into my bed. So dear children, what the poet is saying that I have a little shadow that goes in and out with me, and what can be the use of him is more than I can see. In this stanza, the poet is saying that he has a little reflection of him, which is the shadow, and that follows him wherever he goes. Means wherever the poet goes, the shadow, his own shadow, is following him. Poet is not able to understand the use of shadow except that shadow follows him everywhere. So the question that is arising in his mind is that he could not understand that why this shadow follows every time, everywhere, wherever he goes. He is very, very like me from the heels up to the head, and I see him jump before me when I jump into my bed. Here the poet is saying that The reflection is totally like poet from head to toe. The poet says that what is the look of that shadow? The reflection of his own shadow. He said that the reflection of his own shadow that is totally like him up to head to toe, मतलब ऊपर से लेकर नीचे तक जैसा पोएट है वैसा ही वो शैडो है. And I see him jump before me when I jump into my bed. So the poet said that, and whenever he goes to sleep, his reflection jumps or hoops into the bed before him. Means whenever the poet is trying to sleep, so before he jump into the bed, the shadow of his own, he jumped. So the poet says that everywhere the shadow is following. The funniest thing about him is the way he liked to grow. Not at all like proper children, which is always very slow. For he sometimes shoots up taller like an India rubber ball. And he sometimes gets so little that there is none of him at all. So what the poet is saying, the funniest thing about him is the way he likes to grow, not at all like proper children, which is always very slow. The poet finds that it is very funny or strange the way shadow increases in size. The shadow grows immediately, whereas children take time to grow up. So the poet, he had a question that a small children, it takes a time to grow. Dear children, as you know it well that a baby, okay, the baby takes a lot time, years to grow. 1 year baby, 2 year baby, 3 year baby, okay. So slowly and gradually the baby grows. But the poet says that here the reflection of his shadow how increases in size. So he compared that even the child takes time to grow, but here the shadow that increases in a size. For he sometimes shoots up taller like an India rubber ball, and he sometimes gets so little that there's none of his at all. So what the poet he says, here the poet is comparing the shadow with Indian rubber ball because the rubber ball bounces up and down. Similarly, shadow grows big and small. So here the poet says that wherever he goes and when the light found the shadow, it grows स्मॉल एंड बिग, ओके, वो बड़ा होता है फिर बाद में छोटा होता है, अपने आप वो जो शैडो है वो साइज लेता है. सो हियर पोएट सेज ही कंपेयर्ड दैट शैडो विथ अ इंडियन रबर बॉल. वो शैडो को रबर बॉल के मतलब कंपेयर करता है. वाई? बिकॉज एज द रबर बॉल बाउंस अप एंड डाउन, सिमिलरली द शैडो ग्रोज बिग एंड स्मॉल. एंड ऑन समटाइम्स the shadow becomes so tiny or small that seems like nothing is there. और कभी कभी तो ऐसा लगता है that the shadow इतना छोटा हो जाता है, tiny, that we cannot see anything. We can find that there is nothing. वहाँ पे कुछ नहीं है. So and sometime gets so little that there is none of him at all. अब अपना shadow ही नहीं है, there is nothing that we can find. One morning, very early, before the sun I was up, I rose and found the shining dew on every buttercup. But my lazy little shadow, like an errant sleepy head, had stayed at home behind me and was fast asleep in bed. So what the poet says, one morning, very early, before the sun I was up, I rose and found the shining dew on every buttercup. One morning, the poet woke up before everyone, even before the sun. तो एक दिन क्या होता है, द पोएट वोक अप अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग. सन भी राइज नहीं होता है उससे भी पहले, मतलब अंधेरे में वो जग जाता है. ही वोक अप. सो वन मॉर्निंग द पोएट वोक अप बिफोर एवरीवन, सबसे पहले, और इवन बिफोर द सन. एंड वॉट ही सो, तब उसने क्या देखा, ही सो ड्रॉप्स ऑफ वाटर ऑन येलो फ्लावर, दैट मीन्स ऑन बटर कप. Children, you must have also seen drops of water on flower early in the morning. If not, try waking up early and see. आपने भी कभी देखा होगा. Okay, that is, we can say dew. So water dew you can find on every flower, but early in the morning. So if you have not seen, then the poet says that wake up early in the morning and see. So he said that one morning when I woke up, I found a dew on every buttercup. But my lazy little shadow, like an errant sleepyhead, had stayed at home behind me and was fast asleep in bed. But what the poet is saying? Here the poet is saying that in the morning his shadow become lazy and bad one, who wants to sleep more. The poet is saying when in the morning he was out, shadow remained at home and was sleeping in the bed. So what the poet is saying, when he woke up early in the morning before the sun, and when he out from his house, when he come out from his house and he found the dew on the buttercup, at that time what his shadow is doing, his shadow is becoming very lazy and the shadow is not following him. Shadow is not following the poet. The shadow stayed at home and fast asleep in bed. मतलब वो अभी भी, ऐसा पोएट कंपेयर कर रहा है कि वो अभी भी बेड पे सो रहा है. See, the poet here the say that वो अभी भी सो रहा है, that means he woke up in the morning. अब अंधेरा है, definitely shadow, he will not find the shadow. Okay, that's why he compared it. अगर light होती तो definitely shadow will follow the poet. So that's about our poem My Shadow, that the poet very nicely expresses here that about his own shadow. So the poet says that whenever everywhere he is going, the shadow, his own shadow is following everywhere. But when one morning, when one day early in the morning, when the poet woke up and come out from the house, the shadow is still at the home and sleeping on the bed. So that's about all our poem. I hope you understand this poem well. Now let's see some question answer based on this poem. First one is, why do you think your shadow looks alike? So the poet says that I think my shadow looks like me. Definitely, whatever appearance we have, our shadow will same. So the poet says I think my shadow looks like me. Second one is, why do you think your shadow jumps into bed before you can? Answer, when I go near my bed, my shadow falls on the bed before I can get into the bed. मतलब जब पोएट सोने जा रहा है उससे ही पहले जो शैडो है वो जंप कर देता है. थर्ड वन, what time of the day do you think when your shadow in the tallest? Why? So in the morning. So or when in morning when the sun rises, so at that time the brightness of the sun that falls on you, and that's why you can find that the shadow is the tallest, increasing. So I think so that is the morning time. Now the fourth one is, read the lines from the poem and answer the questions. So lines is, he is very like me from the heels up to the head. Now two lines are given here. From these two lines, three questions are here, we have to answer it. So the first one is, who does he refer to? Means he is very like me. So what is he in this line? तो he refers to shadow. मतलब he किसके लिए यूज किया है? shadow के लिए. The next one is, who does me refer to? Now he is very like me. He refers to the shadow. So what does me refer to? So me refers to the speaker in the poem, that means poet. The last one is, why are he and me alike? So he and me are alike. Tai is the shadow of me. That means he और me वो shadow को join करता है. So that's all about our poem explanation and question answer. I hope, dear children, you understand this poem well and enjoyed this poem. Thank you for watching this video.